Welcome to Welsh National Opera. We're here to have a look at our latest production of the famous La Traviata and to share 6 reasons why you should really come and see it too. You should come to the opera so that you can dress up and look fabulous. Or you can just come super casual. You should come to this opera to see the fabulous wigs and makeup. Also, you could come to see the amazingly beautiful, colourful costumes. You should come to see La Traviata for the wonderful music. You should come to La Traviata for the heart-wrenching drama. But of course, the main reason to come to the opera is for the spectacle.